We,
the senior high school,
di ko naranasan eh.
graduating class of Pasay City South High School,
Tapos ka lang natin, nagkakaroon din yung bako.
do
Virtual
declare
kasi kami.
our pledge of loyalty to our alma mater, that we will treasure in our hearts the ideals, honor, and prestige of our alma mater,
Sige ako bumalik pa dyan eh.
that we are grateful
So, bumalik tayo.
for the guidance, knowledge, and protection
Di ko naranasan to nung
our school has given
pandemya.
to us. That we are equally indebted to our teachers
Kung natigil siguro ko.
in our school
Noong
for the unselfish
2020.
devotion they have given us. And that we shall strive hard to be good and useful members of our community in order to be worthy of the name and honor of our alma mater. So help me God.